In this video, we'll show you what each area of the Goals Index means and what it measures and where to find those games within the program. We'll also show students how to locate their Goals Index from their student homepage. The Goals Index is an overall measure of performance on First in Math in 4 key areas: activity, fact fluency, procedural fluency, and word problems. Each of the 4 areas is worth 25 points. Schools, teams, and individuals can set goals to their own standards. The Goals Index shows up here on the teacher homepage and here on the student homepage. Click on the Goals Index wheel for a team overview. Your view of the Goals Index depends on the grade your team is assigned. Let's break down the 4 areas of the Goals Index even further. The first area measures activity. The activity score is based on sticker count as it relates to student engagement with the program. The second area is fact fluency. This reflects skill development by operation. The fluency score is influenced by playing in either just the facts, VIFs, or the gyms. The third area measure is procedural fluency. This score reflects performance in the skill sets. The skill sets contain math games ranging from addition to multi-step algebra. The fourth area of measure is word problems. This shows their performance in the Know and Show word problems. To find the categories for the problems, click the question mark next to the title. A teacher has the ability to view the Goals Index for each of the players on their team by clicking on this button. Now you can see a breakdown of each student and their Goals Index. Click on their player name to view more detailed information. A student has the ability to look at the Goals Index in 3 different ways: My Goals, Team Goals, or School Goals. The Goals Index is a great tool to promote fluency in targeted areas. It's also a tool that you can use to set standards for your classroom, for your school, or even for your district.